Hello all, welcome to KLART Technologies. Are you using Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams or OneNote every day? But still spending lot of hours creating documents, preparing reports and making presentations, drafting emails and organizing meeting notes manually? Then this workshop is helpful for you. Hi everyone, this is Lakshmi from KLART Technologies. I am planning to conduct a 2 days Microsoft 365 hands-on workshop where I will show how to use Copilot practically across all major Microsoft 365 apps. This is not the theory session and this will be a real-time hands-on masterclass using practical business scenarios. In this workshop, we will explore how Copilot can help you in Word for document creation, rewriting and summarization. So here is the Word document and here you can see the Copilot and we have a lot of things to do this Copilot in Word. So I will explain these things in our workshop. Then Excel. We will see how to analyze employee data, generate insights, apply formulas and understand the data faster and apply different filters. And here you will find the Copilot in Excel. Microsoft PowerPoint. By using this, we will create and improve presentations using Copilot. And next, Outlook. Here we will learn how to draft professional emails, summarize long email conversations, and create better replies by using Copilot Intelligence. Next product, Teams. Here we will understand how Copilot can help with meeting summaries, action items, and collaboration productivity. It will help you in the meeting to summarize who said what and better summary and bullet points, everything like minutes of meeting, for everything it will help you. And in OneNote and Copilot chart, we will see how to organize ideas, create plans and ask better prompts and improve daily productivity. So this workshop is planned for 2 days live session with 2 hours each day. Day 1 is planned on June 13, 2026, Saturday at 10:45 a.m. IST and this workshop fee is $1,299. After payment confirmation, you will receive the agenda, joining link, setup instructions and sample practice files and basic prompt pack. After the workshop, you will also receive the session recording, complete prompt pack, final practice files and exercises what we have done during the workshop. Right now, payment is not required immediately. I am collecting the interested participants list. So, please fill the form in the description. Register yourself to this workshop. And I will provide link to join WhatsApp group specific to this Microsoft workshop. Please join in that workshop for more updates. So you will learn. So if you want to learn how to use Microsoft 365 Copilot practically for office work, training, business and productivity, fill this form and show your interest. Seats will be limited. So as this is a hands-on workshop, limited seats will be taken off in the live workshop. So start filling the form from today itself. And this is the document which we are going to see. This is the agenda, workshop overview and business context, and Copilot chart for project ideation and planning, Word for proposal, policy and creating documents, PowerPoint to create different presentations, Excel for HR analysis and onboarding insights, Outlook for project stakeholder communication emails, and we will use Teams for meeting recap, actions and collaboration updates. And we will create Microsoft forms by using AI for onboarding and feedback surveys. And we can use pre-built Copilot agents also for research, analysis and automation. I hope you are clear about this workshop agenda, price and every details. So please fill the form in the description or in the pinned comment. If you have any doubts, you can ping us in WhatsApp also. This is the number. And then please join the WhatsApp group also for more updates, clarify any doubts also. That group will be really helpful to you and we will be sharing the workshop link also in that group itself once payment is done. So we will share the payment details, everything in that WhatsApp group. So please join in that WhatsApp group and before that please fill the form. I hope this workshop will be really useful for you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to KLART Technologies and stay tuned.